Here's how you can log into your Liberium crypto account. It's really easy and simple to do so. Watch the whole video so that you don't miss a single step. First, open any web browser. Type in liberiumcrypto.com at the address bar. Then tap Enter. It will lead you to the homepage of the Liberium Crypto. Now tap on Sign In icon at the top right. It will lead you to the login page. Now type in your email and password that you use to sign in to your account. After you're done, tap on Sign In at the bottom. If you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Your Password. Then follow the steps as instructed to log into your account. If you want to save in your login information, then tap on Remember Me. And that is how to log into your Liberium crypto account. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel and don't hesitate to comment if you have any further queries.